How to fix Roblox Error Code 0. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Restart your router. You can unplug your router, wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in. Also test the connection by opening a browser and visiting a website, or switch to a wired connection as Ethernet for better stability if possible. You can also try refreshing your Roblox account session and fix the error. Open Roblox app or website and log out of your account and restart the application and log back into your account and see if that helps the issue fix. If the problem persists, reinstalling Roblox can resolve corrupted installation files. Drag the Roblox app to trash and see if it is fixed or not. You can then reinstall the Roblox by visiting their official website and downloading the latest version of the app and log back in. You can also check for system updates to help fix the issue. So these were a few fixes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.